Shosho kazi welcome back to Speaker nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. Yeah, kade ngifuna ukushutha le video but i-voice ayikabuyi amandla awakabuyi so yeah, ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-Durban July ka-2026 laphana. Yeah, i-fever yangibulala because yeah, hayi kuningi ede kwenzeka eDurban. So i-Durban July 2026 ingishokhile especially nge-attendance because attendance izoba low kakhulu because i-economic yaseMzansi ayihambi kahle but I know abantu baphulaphile, abantu bebekhona, abantu bafikile, i-attendance ibikhona. But i-issue enginayo kakhulu kuyadise i-security. Last year ngangiyenzile i-video nakhona ngangikhalile nge-security because babezama ukushintsha into eningi, ibe nama-regulation nama-restrictions amaningi esingawa-understandi because the time sa-attenda before bezingekho lezi zinto eziningi but this year ibi-worse-ke when it's coming to i-security. Even nje namamakhi amanye wasakwazi nokudlula eduze kwalakhi bablokha even indlela edlula kumamakhi because imakhi vele uma ungenalithi lakhona usungeza ukungena so angi-understand why behambe beblokha abantu sekunzima even nanendlela sekumele uhambe emva kwamamakhi abasafuna ukuthi uhambe eduze kwawo lakho amamakhi afana uma kube njalo imakhi yakwa-Durban Tourism, imakhi yase-Sasol, yase-Mercedes Benz wonke lawa bevaleliwe so abantu abaningi bebengakwazi nokudlula kona so as a result ama-celebrity amaningi asiwabonanga because one of imakhi ejwayele ukuba seduze kwabantu la ku-General Access ile kaTira imakhi le yase-Afro bingekho wena this year so kube negap enkulu between ukubona abantu abaningi beza kuyona because iyona evamise uku-attract ama-celebrity amaningi so ama-celebrities amaningi siwabone emafonini but I think abantu engikwazile ukubabona ade bendlula ubo-Felix Hlophe, uBuji, uMalema nawo uMalema ngimbonile oLasizwe baningi engibabonile ade bengena ngakule entrance ekade ngale singakhona lapha ku-General Access Party. I think abantu abaningi basimisile because bekunama-restrictions amaningi laphana so i-security-ke no angazi into abazama ukuyenza because before i-COVID-19 i-Durban July isapopa isenabantu abaningi attendance abise-strong kakhulu bebengamandi into eningi as long uma ungenile noma uthi uyangena mhlawumbe ngaphakathi like as u-cameraman as business as long as uthengelela thithi lalaphana esangweni bebengamandi-ke but-ke manje sebe-aggressive ngale ndlela sebefuna ama-permit bafuna ama-media access card and uku-aplayela le media access card e-Durban July akukho lula because bawakhipha late mhlawumbe bawakhipha around uMay and nakhona uma bawakhipha maybe for 3 weeks so that abantu abaningi bazoba-decline-ke so this year I was one of the people abadecline-we this year because sasi-aplayile sayithola last year I think sasithole last of last year ngo-2024 so asiwatholanga-ke nathi so i-security-ke biyenza into eningi laphana-ke and bazama ukulungisa lo issue ukuthi mhlambe bengabe sababikho especially ama-black photographers because laphana i-Durban July abelungu i-event abelungu actually is not even i-event ase-South Africa i-Durban July because this year behlanganisa iminyaka ewu-130 yayiqale somewhere I think yaqale e-England and then bayishintsha bayenza i-Durban July so I think abelungu sebeyibone ukuthi ama-black photographers asebone i-opportunity asekwazi ukwenza imali laphana so sebezama ukwenza ngazo zonke iy'ndlela ukuthi no besikhiphe soshuthela ngaphandle singashutheli inside but abayitholi indlela yokusikhipha ngayo so bethi no mawufuna ukushutha ngaphakathi kumele ube ne-media access card-ke laphana and ikhadi le-media ahlangani nomuntu we-photographer because if ngizoshutha kuphela ngingazile ukuzoreporta I don't even have to have i-media because akhona ama-celebrity asuke eJozi ajwayele ukufika nama-photographers abazobashutha nawo-ke this year benenkinga esangweni because i-Durban July according to ama-rules bebengawafuni ama-photographers azoshutha abangenawo amakhadi e-media-ke manje umuntu uma e-famous e-actor uzoyithatha leyo access e-media because noma kuthiwa mhlawumbe aphumile ku-production aphumele bona not abantu abahamba nabo so nje bikhona lo issue engazi bazama ukwenzani-ke but I think nje bazama ukuba strictly too much mhlawumbe imali abo ayisekho eningi ngaleyo ndlela engenayo abasayenza imali eningi so sebezama ngazo zonke iy'ndlela ukuthi bethathele i-economy lana ebuyisela abelungu because bakhona ama-Indian nabelungu abashutha ngaphakathi abanye babo especially ama-Indians abelungu abaningi abashutha laphana eGreyville basebenzile i-Hollywood vele-ke but bakhona ama-Indian abashutha laphana abanawo ama-media access card but ababanaki bona abantu abafocusa kakhulu kubona ama-black photographers especially abashutha emgaqweni laphana I think mhlawumbe babona ngathi sigropha i-standards e-Durban July laphana so this year bebe very aggressive nje indlela ede bemuva ngayo so even nama-security companies la asebenzisana nawo aze athola i-opportunity mhlawumbe ukuthi a-take abantu laphana ebakhokhisa ama-bribe so that azoba-protect against abelungu because nabo bebeyibona into iyenzakala so nje issue bikhona lapho but i-event yona no I think ibe yi-success kakhulu, i-turn up yakhona, and this year ngikwazile ukubona ishow because last year ngangiyilesi kakhulu ishow, ngafika nje si-announce ama-winners, ngiyibonile ishow. I think ishow yakhona bisezingeni eliphezulu. No-music, even though ama-performances amaningi ngiwamisile nakhona because bengenayo accommodation, bekumele ngihambe early, bekumele ngibuyele eLovu lade ngihlala khona, bengisekhaya, so bekumele ngihambe early. But imikhasa ngibonile abanye abantu abe-entertain abantu abaningi, baningi nje ama-activities amakhona, and ama-design nama-setup. Yeah, I think ama-pictures ayinafu engiwatholile, even though bengifisa ngathi ngisengathola mhlawumbe yabo isikhathi esiningi because bebekhona i-crew yase-SABC laphana ade ngibhukhwe yiyona ade bezoshutha laphana, but ngike ngathuba ne-issue ye-security nje for eside isikhathi lesi, so abanye angikwazanga ukuthola ama-pictures akhona, but akhona engiwatholile ambalwa. I think ngi-happy ngayo. Next year I think kumele ngiphule up ngi-fully prepared ngento ey'ningi laphana, ziningi izinto eningi engiy'fundile, but one thing engithanda kakhulu about iJuly i-networking laphana. I think this networking ngiyenzile ngale ndlela, baningi abantu in future sisazosebenzisana nabo, ihlangane nabo this weekend. Iyona-ke into engiyithanda kakhulu nge-Durban July because i-connecta nabantu okungekho easy ukuthi uphinde uthole i-chance ukuthi uhlangane nabo. So that is one day vele ihlanganise i-industry yonke, i-photography, media, nawo wonke into on one spot. So lapho uma uthi ayakwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhulumele usungakwazi ukwenza izinto laphana. So I think ibe yi-success, bengayilindele, especially nge-turn out, ayi bengayilindele, baphulaphile ngaphela. I think i-population ekade iningi kakhulu laphana ama-Indians, baphulaphile. So I think iJuly this year no ibe yi-success, bengayilindele because isimo somnotho siyabheda, and ama-bless akaseGoli, they show up again, they show up. Ungabonile afikile, even ama-bless afana no-MySoul, ukandlula lapha ne-convoy yakho bekhona, bafikile and bonke bebeze kwimakhili yana imakhili emakube njalo. I think lo makhili emakube njalo sazoyenza kakhulu lapha ku-Durban July. I think ngibona abantu abenza imali ngempela when it comes to profit, abantu abaspendile, because amathebula akhona bebizwe 30,000 no 40,000, but still yona kade i-pack up. This means abantu baseGoli 30,000 lo hayi into yokubala le. And iBoomtown-ke nawo-ke imakhi ekade yaba khona ehlezi enzima angabikhona, it's just that iBoomtown seyavele yabela esayidini bazenzela into yabo. So uma ungena lithiti lakhona uzwa nje i-radio kuphela ukuthi bakhona bayaqhuba, but awuboni lutho, yonke into yakhona isithiwe laphana. But that is one of my key engisafisa nabo ukuthi ngithole i-entrance yakhona. It's just that ama-ticket akhona ayabiza, i-general access yakhona ibiza la ko-800. So akukho easy ukuthola i-general access 800 uqoqo ungathola ne-drink. Angi-understand leyo part leyo, but lapho bebeqinisa-ke mhlawumbe bekuzoba mnandi. And nale makhe kade ibiza ama-international artists afana nabo uSwali, banalo mfana lo Bryson nayo ngiwabonela ama-pictures akhona eGagasini laphana. No, I think into yakhona ibentswemi, it's just that i-security yabo abantu abamabhuli lade belaphana ngaphandle, bengingekho lula nje usondele ngakhona. So ngicela ukubona ngakhona ekuseni, but imakhi yabo bisezingeni eliphezulu. So uzoyivala lapha ivideo yami because hayi voice yami ayikabuki kahle kubi. So stay tuned, uSpeaker nangu ngizozama uku-uploada i-vlog yakhona mase ngi-right. Yeah, ngiphuza isitoni sami kubi.